Social media should be a secondary database. Social media sites from time to time go down for maintenance or issues happen. Someone who looks like they're trying to add you, but then it disappears. Someone who's messaged you, but you can't see the message, or they end up showing that you've been blocked, or they disappear from your contact list, or you lose access to your social media. Both Facebook and Instagram were down. I don't use Instagram often, but I did hear that it was down from other people posting online. Facebook was down with maintenance for several hours. There was people's information that I needed to grab from Facebook, and I couldn't at that time, so I had to wait. The best thing is to store them in your email contacts database or in your CRM, or if they're professional contacts, such as somebody who's interested in your business, into something such as your newsletter if you have one. Because if your social media sites go down or you lose access, you lose those contacts.